Okay, hello everybody. Where is my chat window? Is not working. Let's get that going here. Testing. Huh. I guess we'll remove it here. Do a new one. Seems like that happens sometimes. Oh, my microphone was off. My apologies about that, chat. Didn't realize the microphone was off. Okay. So nothing really planned today. Just going to do some streaming, clean up a few things on the workout tracker app. I think that as far as the tutorial on developing that, I'm pretty much done with that. We got everything built that I had planned to build. So I do have exciting news. I have a microphone stand. I'm just waiting for it to arrive. The stand arrived, but the parts to hook it up to a thing did not. So I need to get. I ordered from Amazon yesterday a portion. Oh, I think Amazon might. Alexa, notifications.
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. For Keenan, Mike's stand adapter has arrived.
Oh, so my stand adapter just arrived. So let me go get that, chat. Let me set this up first, and I'm gonna actually go get the microphone stand adapter, and we can install that here live on the chat. That should be fun. I need to put in the. I don't know if I'm gonna have it down here. Nope. Okay. Let me get it here. Okay. Alright. So refresh. There we go. There's the chat. Okay, chat. I will be right back. I need to go get my microphone stand adapter that just arrived. Be right back. And then we'll install the microphone adapter. Okay, chat, I'm back. Here is the package direct from Amazon. So let's open this up, and let me see what the time is. 4:10 for the stream. 'Cause I might review this as an unboxing and post it on Amazon. How do you? Oh, so you just rip it like that. All right. So. Here it is. It's just this little box. And in this box, there's going to be some adapters that allow me to connect. Here, I'm going to undo this. This is probably going to this might get a little loud. I apologize if it does while we're doing this. Like I said, this is a real live unboxing and testing. Okay. So you'll notice that once I take this tripod off, the opening for the microphone is slightly bigger, right, than the holder for the microphone stand. So hopefully in this box here we have some adapters that will fit. Let's see. Okay, just a little baggie here, and I will post the link in the description of the video for the adapters that, see, so yeah, so like this, so we have all of these different adapters here. So I need one that's going to plug into, okay, so like that one. Oh, I think I found it. So this one needs to screw into here, and it does. So I found the exact one I needed, chat. That's awesome. Okay, so this one will screw into here. And then the microphone will screw into that, which is going to be an issue because of, okay, there we go. I know it's a bit loud, and I apologize, chat. I'm gonna have to unplug the microphone for just a minute. I will be right back. Okay, chat. The microphone is plugged back in. Let's make sure I got the right microphone. I do. And we can turn up the microphone a little bit, and we'll turn it down with the software. So now I have just my microphone right there and my voice kind of out of the way, but you can still see it. All right. All right, so I have a microphone now. That's cool. I have a microphone arm. That's cool. So let's do some streaming. Okay, so yesterday where we left off, we have to turn the microphone down a little bit here. Left off. Where we left off. Yesterday where we left off, we were doing we just finished up the tracker. So what I'm going to do now is kind of look at the code. What I want to do now, GitHub actually does so our commit messages in, what are they in? Our commit messages, add commit. So are the actual messages for the commits in Markdown? I want to take the Markdown course for GitHub so I can learn how to add more, to communicate better and add kind of more stuff on there. And I was thinking about adding some stuff for my streams on there as well. So let's get to look that up. Okay. Oh, there's the app. Just so you can see that does run, and it runs full screen as well. Let's go back to small. Oh shoot, I didn't realize that was going to happen. Okay, so let's do the GitHub Markdown course. I think it's called GitHub Markdown course. There we go. It's called, you can use simple features to format your comments on and interact with others in issues, pull requests, and wikis on GitHub. Quick start for writing on GitHub, about writing and formatting on GitHub, basic writing and formatting syntax. So let's start with that. Okay, Markdown is an easy to read, easy to write language for formatting plain text. You can use Markdown syntax along with some additional HTML tags to format your writing in GitHub in places like repository, readmes, and comments on pull requests and issues. In this guide, you'll learn some advanced formatting features by creating or editing a readme for your GitHub profile. If you're new to Markdown, you might want to start with basic writing and formatting syntax, or the Communicate Using Markdown GitHub Skills course. If you already have a profile README, you could follow this guide by adding some features to your existing README or by creating a gist with a Markdown file called something like aboutme.markdown. For more information, see Creating Gist. Okay, so it does recommend, I am kind of new to Markdown. I mean, I'm a programmer, so it's another markup language, I think, but it marks it down. Is it kind of like a play on words? Because HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and we're calling this Markdown. So is it some kind of play on words? I don't really know. Let's find out. So here we go. Here's this. Okay, so communicate using Markdown. Organize ideas and collaborate using Markdown, a lightweight language for text formatting. Welcome. GitHub is about more than code. It's a platform for software collaboration, and Markdown is one of the most important ways developers can make their communication clear and organized in issues and pull requests. This course will walk you through creating and using headings more effectively, organizing thoughts in bulleted lists, and showing how much work you've completed with the checklist. You can even use Markdown to add some depth to your work with the help of emoji, images, and links. Who is this for? New developers, new GitHub users, and students. What you'll learn. Use Markdown to add list, images, and links in a comment or text file. What you'll build. We'll update a plain text file and add Markdown formatting, and you can use this file to start your own GitHub Pages site. Prerequisites. In this course, you will work with pull requests as well as edit files. If these things aren't familiar to you, we recommend you take the Introduction to GitHub course first. How long? This course takes less than 1 hour to complete. The Introduction to GitHub course. So I know how to do pull requests. I work in software engineering, but we don't use GitHub. We do use Git, but we use Azure DevOps, and before that we used Jira, Atlassian Jira. So I think that I'll probably be okay as far as the information for using the pull request, but if not, I've just opened it up in a new tab. So if I need to stop this one and use the next one, then we'll jump over to that. Let me just take a quick drink of my Kirkland. Amazing. I recommend everybody Kirkland spring water. My wife doesn't like when people take drinks on stream, so hopefully she's not watching this right now. Okay. In this course, you will add headers, add an image, add a code example, make a task list, and merge your pull request. I like this. Let's see what the introduction to GitHub. So the introduction to GitHub, get started using GitHub in less than an hour. Welcome. People use GitHub to build some of the most advanced technologies in the world. You know what? Let me see if I can do my Power Toys. I want to see if we can open up Power Toys and do the focus. What is it called? Focus. Keyboard. Mouse utilities. Mouse highlighter, yeah. It's Shift H, Windows Shift H. So it's Windows Shift H. Windows. Windows Shift H. Windows Shift H. Windows Shift. Windows Shift H. Oh, is it? It's not working. It's not working. Why isn't Windows Shift H working? Windows Shift H. Windows Shift. Okay, so we could do Windows J or Windows H. Well, what did Windows H do? Oh, that's speech services? No, I don't want that. No, I don't want voice speech services right now. So I'll just do. Well, what? You do Windows Control H. Control Windows Control H. That didn't do anything. Okay, let's try that one. Windows Control H. Try that one. Okay. So let's see. Windows Control H. Oh, that highlights mouse clicks. That's not what I want. I want, where is the one that is not peak? Screen short. What is it called? Not awake. Not command.phone. Crop and look. No. Fancy zones. Dashboard. Find my mouse. Control. Press left control twice. Let's do Windows Shift F. No. So that's not really what. I thought it was a highlight. Okay, never mind. I digress. People, who's this for? New developers. What you'll learn. We'll introduce repositories, branches, commits, and pull what you'll build. We'll make a short markdown file you can use as your profile. None. This course is a great introduction for first day. How long? I think I already have enough information for that. But let me go to my GitHub for a minute. Do I have... Okay. So I do need to update some things on my GitHub. Especially like repositories. I need to make some things private that I don't use anymore and do some other things. So let's go back here. Let's start it. Okay. Organized. Let's start course. Right click start course and open the link in a new tab. In the new tab, most of the prompts will automatically fill in for you. For owner, choose your personal account or organization. We recommend creating a public repository, as private repositories will use actions minutes. Scroll down and click the Create Repository button at the bottom of the form. After your new repository is created, wait about 20 seconds, then refresh the page. Follow the step-by-step instructions in the new repository's README. Okay. Create a new repository. Okay. Skills, communicate using Markdown. Public, okay. So it says after you've created the repository, wait about 20 seconds to refresh the page. Follow the step-by-step instructions in the new repository's README. Okay, refresh the page. Welcome. Wait about 20 seconds, then refresh the page. Follow the step-by-step instructions in the new repository's README. do I not? Then the new repositories readme. Okay, I already did that. Wait out 20 seconds, then refresh the page. I don't know if this is working, you guys. I've refreshed the page a few times. Oh, it's pending. Okay, so let's see. How do I do the repository? Initial commit. Wait about 20 seconds and refresh the page. I don't... It's not really working, is it? Let's see. Just help here. Workflow's not working. Let's see. Okay. Not going to next step. New repositories. How to use good... No. So how do we start it? How do we start it then? GitHub. Is there a new branch? Right click and then open in a tab. For owner, choose. We recommend creating. Scroll down and click the create repository button at the bottom of the page. Okay, I already did that. Do I have to hit? New repositories, readme. Step 1. Welcome to the communication using Wait about 20 seconds. I've waited a couple minutes, haven't I? After your new repository, wait about 20 seconds, then refresh the page. Okay, but it's my repository here, right? Yeah. Waiting to run this check. Request labels, job defined at welcome. Waiting for runner to pick up this job. Oh. Okay, so that has nothing to do with me then, I guess. Okay. Interesting. I wanted to let's look at some of the stuff on our code then. Waiting for runners to pick up this job. How? Queued. Huh. Waiting for the runner to pick up the job. Why aren't you picking it up, runner? It might just take a while for that runner to pick up the job. Okay. Let me look at... I thought maybe adding a notes section down here would be a good idea. So let's work on doing that while we're waiting for that runner to pick up the job. Okay, so we have section... What section is this? This is our form, okay. So let's go down to right before submit. Yeah. And then we'll add a div class field. Close it. We'll add a... I want to add some text. So there's text, message, field, okay, label, message, yeah. Of course, so it is label class equals label, notes, and then div class control, whoops, and then text area, we'll do text area class text area placeholder exercise notes and name equals notes. Okay, see what that looks like now. Why did the whole... Why is that in there? Okay, let's check on this. Waiting for the runner to pick it up still. Why? It is a public repository, right? Public, yeah. Waiting for a runner to pick up this job. Okay. How long does a runner take? How long does GitHub public action runners take in queue? How come? Let's see, post in our discussion board. Runner. Okay. You should have pushed a commit to the start branch, not to the main branch. You shouldn't have merged the PR in step 1. What? It's queued. Okay. Just continue to do the other stuff then. I don't know what's taking the runner so long. But it is taking a while. Text area. Yeah, and then... Control, text area. Yeah. Text area. Why didn't it? Why is all that in there? That doesn't... Is it not closed? I don't know. No? Why? What in the heck did I do now? The label's closed. That's closed. Div class. Why? Placeholder. Is placeholder capitalized? No. Let me copy this so I just know I'm not crazy here. Oh. What did I have then? Oh, text area is a... I didn't realize that. I didn't know text area had to be closed. No one ever told me that. No one ever told me that. Okay, so then we got notes. And we want to add them to... Where's oh. Submit, yeah. Okay. So that's good. We just need to go down here. Notes. Stir. Okay. Does GitHub Action fire yet? No. Waiting for a runner. This step triggers the learner, creates a new repository from the template, updates from step 0 to step 1. This will run every time we create push a commit to main. Let me run the main on start template. We'll run Ubuntu for performance. We need to check out the repository so we can edit the README. Make a branch, prepare a pull request. Echo, make sure we are on step 0. Okay, are we on step 0? Waiting for runner to pick up this job. What does that mean? Wait a few days, it keeps wanting to pick up. Then main page, in the sidebar, click runners. In the left sidebar, click action and click runners. Okay. Settings. Actions. Runners. Linux. Add self-hosted. Adding a self requires you to download, configure, and execute the GitHub. By downloading, configuring the GitHub Actions runner, you agree to create a folder, download the latest runner package, validate it. No. General. Choose the default permissions granted to the GitHub token when running workflows. Okay. So what now? Did that do anything? Rerun the job. Enable debug logging. Okay, let's see what happens now. See, we have something similar. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it just, I think it got, I don't know, stale or something. Let me put that in a quick helper file. I think tomorrow I'll produce a little helper for the GitHub Actions for people that are having difficulty with that as well. Okay, so all right, so let's go back here now. Oh, first let me test. We need to test this to make sure this is that this is working. Let's do. Okay, it's serving from there. Can we serve it from a different? Let's we'll kill it for right now, and we'll do the reload. Okay, and then let's do. Let's say this is one from the first. This, that, add a warm up. That we'll do 25. Oops, 25, 20, 20, 20, 20. This is a test note. Oh, I'm not saving it though, am I? No. I need to save the note. So let me do that. Let's see, note. Exercise log dot notes. Notes, yeah. Let's just do notes. Okay. Okay, so we did the reload. Okay, so let's see. We'll submit. And then let's go see what we created. What day did I choose? 2-1. 2. Oh, did we get an error? Where, oh, where is my error code? Error connection refused. Why? Oh. That's because of the... No, it's running at 8,000. Oh. I need... Bind on address, only one usage of each socket. Waiting for application. Hey, which one is this on? Where, oh, where am I making my mistake? So, I think that it didn't like that port. There we go. There's that port then. Okay, let's try that then. That one worked. Okay, so here it is. And we'll open it and see that now we should have a note. Notes. This is a test note. Okay. So now when we call the log, we'll add them later. Okay. So let's go back to the GitHub Actions. We need to add the notes to that. Do I already have that there? Occur. Nope. Add the notes from the data. Okay. Alright, so let's do our... Okay, here we go. Organize ideas and collaborate using Markdown, a lightweight language for text formatting. Add headers. Welcome to communicate using Markdown. What is Markdown? Markdown is a lightweight syntax for communicating in GitHub. You could format text to add a heading, list, bold, italics, tables, and many other styles. You can use Markdown in most places around GitHub. Comments on issues, pull requests, and discussions. Files with the MD or .markdown extension. Sharing snippets of text in gist. What is a header? A header is a larger bit of text at the beginning of a section. There are 6 sizes. Example, this is an H1, which is the largest. This is an H2. This is an H6, which is the smallest. How it looks. This is an H1 header, which is the largest. This is an H2 header. This is an H6 header, which is the smallest. Activity. Edit your file with headers. Open a new browser tab and work on the steps in your second tab while you read the instructions in this tab. Okay. That's not what I wanted to do. Shoot. Okay, I'll just go there from here. Alright, let's duplicate this tab, and we'll pull it over here. Okay. So now we have both of these tabs open with the same thing on them. Open a browser tab and work in the steps in your second tab while you read. Open the pull request tab. Pull request. Click new pull request for the branches to compare. Select base, main, and compare. Start Markdown. New pull request, base, main, and start Markdown. Okay. Click create pull request. In this pull request, go to the files change tab. Files change tab. Where is that? Go to the files. We made an empty file index.md for you. Okay. Edit the file from the 3-dotted menu in the upper right. Files change tab. We made an empty index. Okay. Yep. Select edit from the 3 upper right corner. Go to the files. We made an empty. View file. Is there an edit file? There is no edit. You must be on a branch. Wasn't I on a branch a minute ago? In the pull request, go to the files changed. Select edit file from the 3-dotted menu. Click create pull request. Okay, let me go back. Compare. Click create pull request. Okay. Okay, now in this pull request, go to the files change tab. And no, I have to create it first. So create pull request. Okay, now it's created. Now I can go down there. No, I still can't edit it. Pull request. No pull request. Markdown. Create the pull request. What does it say? I can't edit the file though. In this pull request. Okay, so create pull request. Okay. Now I can go to files changed, readme, or I'm sorry, index. No. What's it? Index.md. Edit file. Okay, so that needs to be updated. That you actually have to do that as well. Okay. On the edit file tab, add. On the add a followed by space. Okay. By space before any content you like to make, you can add more headers using one of 6 characters. Okay. This is header 1. This is header 2. This is header 3. Lastly, this is header 6. Click preview. This is header 1, this is header 2, this is header 3, lastly, this is header 6. Okay. At the bottom of the page, type a short, meaningful commit message that describes the changes you made. At the bottom of the page, type a short, meaningful commit message. This is a short, meaningful commit message. Click commit changes. Okay, I'm going to assume that they want it in there. That's another thing. Okay. Click commit changes. Okay. All right, now we're waiting. It says wait about 20 seconds and refresh this page. The one you're following instructions from GitHub Actions will automatically update to the next step. We're going to see if that's true or not. Something tells me that that's not going to work exactly like it says there. Okay, so it's about 20 seconds. Step 2, there we go, add an image. Organize ideals and collaborate using Markdown and lightweight language. Add an image. Great job adding headers to the file. Let's add an image. Include descriptive text in the square brackets. This text is read out loud for people using screen readers. It's also shown at times when your image doesn't display, such as when there's a poor connection. You can see the syntax for images below. Okay, so call out image of Octocat. Okay, how it looks. Adding an image. As you did before, edit the index.md in this pull request. Okay. Let me see if I can. Add the correct markdown for image of choice. Don't forget to include alt text. Use the preview tab to check. Okay. Let's find an image. Unsplash. Let's see, what do we want? What kind of image should we do today? Let's do a doctor. There we go. Yeah, let's do a syringe. How about that? Syringe. Cool. Yeah, I like this one. Info. What's the Unsplash license? No commercial or and non-commercial. Commercial and non-commercial. It cannot be sold. Okay. So where is it? Where? I just want the URL. Small. No, I don't want to log in. I just want the URL for it. Is that not a thing? How do I get the URL of an image on Unsplash? Download free. No, I just copy image link. Let's try that. Okay. Where is our site? There we go. Okay. Let's do it under header 2. And we'll do the bang. That image of a syringe. And all right. Nice. It's a very big image. Can I set anything with okay. Wait 20 seconds and then such as pork. You can see the syntax for images below. Do you have markdown image width? Is there a way to change the width? Changing image size of markdown. You could just use HTML in your markdown or style it. Not supported by GitHub. You can append max width. Okay, so GitHub is going to be the larger image. That's fine. It's just a big image. There's the preview of it. It's a really big image. Okay. All right. Now commit your changes. Added an image. Added an image to the thingy. Okay. Commit changes, and again 20 seconds, and then we should be good because it's running that. So I think just the thing that got us slow in the beginning was that adding the support for the that runner's working. I don't know, I believe. Okay. So we're on to step 3, adding a code example. Organize ideals and collaborate using Markdown, a lightweight language. Add a code example. Great job adding an image to the file. In addition to code blocks, subcode blocks should be rendered differently depending on the language, such as JavaScript or command line text. Example, git init initialize empty git repository. So it's 3 backticks. How it looks. Example 2, JavaScript. Okay, so you tell the language var, my var equals hello world, how it looks. As you did before, edit the file in this pull request. In the file, add the correct markdown for a code example of your choice. Okay. Alright, so let's do so we do 3 backticks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's say it's Python. Define, add num1, num2, oops, return num1 plus num2. Okay, preview. Okay. Actually, this is a header number 6. Okay. Add some code to the markdown. All right. Commit changes. So that was step 3. So we're on to step 4 next. Step 4 next. No, we're still on step 3. Let's see. Make a list. Task list. Okay. Organize ideals and collaborate using Markdown, a lightweight language of text formatting. Make a task list. Great job adding a code example to the file. What is a task list? A task list creates the checkboxes to check off. They are very useful for tracking issues and pull requests. If you include a task list in the body of an issue or pull request, you'll see a progress indicator in your issued list. The syntax for task lists is very specific. Be sure to include the spaces where required, or else they won't render. Example, list syntax required. This item is complete. This item is not complete. Activity, add a tag list. GitHub Actions went ahead and made a branch for you, so you'll need to add to the file we've created in the branch, and we will check your work as you work through this course. Return to your pull request. Use Markdown to create a task list. Here's an example. Remember, a task list starts with the syntax and then the task list item. The formatting is specific. Okay. So this is header 1. Let's see. Here's okay, so turn on GitHub pages. Oh, outline my portfolio, introduce myself to the world. Okay. Very interesting. Very interesting. I'm actually starting to like Markdown. Okay, commit the changes. Add a task list to the Markdown. I don't know why I'm getting a job ads. I'm happy with my current job. You guys hear that fizz on that? It's an amazing drink. It really is. Okay. What is step 5? Step 5, merge your pull requests. Great job adding a task list to the file. You can now merge your pull request. Click merge pull request, wait about 20 seconds, and GitHub will update to the next step. Okay. Let's merge our pull request then. Pull request. Merge. Confirm merge. All right. The pull request has been merged. Hopefully this next action kicks off without a problem. Otherwise, I'll just restart it like we did the other ones. That should work for that issue. Finish. Organize ideas. Congratulations, friend. You've completed a course. Here's a recap of all the tasks you've accomplished. You learned about Markdown headings, images, code examples, and you created and merged a Markdown file. You learned an essential GitHub skill. What's next? You can enable GitHub pages and see your Markdown file as a website. Under your repository name at the upper right, click Settings. Then on the lower right, click Pages in the Code and Automation section. In the GitHub section, click Settings. Okay. Then on the lower left, repository name. Oh, no, it's not repository name. Let's see. Under your repository name, click Settings. Under click Settings. Then on the lower left, click Pages in the Code and Automation. In the GitHub Pages section, ensure Deploy from a branch is selected. And then select Main from the branch drop-down menu. As your GitHub page is publishing source, click the Save button. Wait about 30 seconds and then refresh the page. When you see your site is published at, you can click on the link to see your published site. Okay. Okay. Learn more about Markdown. We'd love to hear what you thought. Take another GitHub skills course. Read the GitHub Getting. What are the other skills courses? Learning should be fun. Introduction to GitHub. Test with actions. Review pull request. GitHub pages. Communicate using Markdown. Oh. Okay. Very interesting. Writing on GitHub. Getting started. Okay, so if I refresh this now, your site is live at visit site. This is header 1. Okay. So there's the GitHub pages. Site is open source. Improve this page. Very interesting. So it published me a page that I could then use if I wanted for my app. Okay. It didn't tell me how to do links though. Okay, so that's done. So that I completed that. That's cool. Okay, so back to writing. Quick start, getting started. Quick start. Your profile README lets you share information about yourself with the community on GitHub. This README is displayed at the top of your profile page. If you don't already have a profile, you can add one. Create a repository with the same name as your GitHub username. Initializing the repository with README file. For information, see managing your profile README. Public. Okay. If you already have a profile README, you can edit it from your profile page. In the upper right corner of any GitHub page, click your profile photo, then click your profile, click the blank next to your profile README. Adding an image to suit your visitors. You can include images in your communication on GitHub. Here you'll add a responsive image such as a banner to the top of your profile. By using the HTML picture element with the prefs color scheme media feature, you can add an image that changes depending on whether a visitor is using light or dark blue. For information, see managing your theme settings. Copy and paste the following markup into your README file. Place to place. Okay, so let's do that. So caddy code. Repository. Caddy code, right? Add a README. This is my special profile repository. As outlined in okay. So I'm creating my okay. Refile and delete the template text. Edit to README and delete the template text. Beginning hi there, that is automatically added to your README. Click the blank next to your profile README. Okay, let's close this then. Okay. Remove template text. Okay. Adding an image. You can include images in your communication. Here you add a responsive image, such as a banner at the top of your profile, README. By using the HTML picture element with the preference color scheme, you can add an image that changes depending on whether a visitor is using light or dark mode. For more information, see managing your theme settings. Copy and paste the following markup into your README file. Picture preview, your alt text, image, source, your default image. Arial's alternate, replace the display visor using dark mode, display visor using light mode. Neither case. Replace your default image for an image display in case neither of the other images can be matched. Is using a browser that does not support the preferred color scheme. For visitors using screen reader, to check the image has rendered correctly, click the preview tab. Okay, so I need an image. Unsplash. Again. Let's do code banner. Find something like that. What size should the banner be on a GitHub? What size should banner image be on GitHub? 500 by 500 pixels. Okay. So let's go to ChatGPT then and create an image. Okay. Okay, I need help. Need help creating a banner image for my GitHub profile page. I would like it to be about 500 by 500 pixels, and for it to be a gradient of 3 images. One, an image of being on the water and enjoying boating. An image of technology combining with digital bits. An image of a family man enjoying his family. Please combine these 3 into a gradient that matches my size requirements. No, no, no. I wanted... What? Why? So I just wasted all my time? Is that what you're saying? I thought Dolly was... Yeah, Dolly. There we go. I don't know why I did that. Dolly should have just did it for me without all that rigmarole. Is the wife going to be home anytime soon? Hey, baby, I'm just now leaving. That's funny. I was just asking about that. Okay, she's on her way. This is actually kind of cool. Let me see this one. Oh, I really like that one. Yeah, I like this one a lot. I like the first one. Can you make 2 versions that are appropriate for users that have either dark mode or light mode turned on in their browser prefers color scheme? No one joins live, huh? That's fine. You guys will. It is February 11th, and I promise you, people are going to start joining this. It's fun playing with Dolly sometimes. So you can essentially use GitHub. You just make a repository, you can use it for anything because you have GitHub pages. You lost the tech. You removed the emphasis on technology merging with family values. Why did you do that? Example of responsive image. Okay, I like that one. Let's do Keenan banner. Wait, why is it a WEP file? I don't know what that is. Okay. Let's do a Kitty code banner. Okay. And then I need to Kitty code. Upload a file. Add banner image. Wait, I gotta see if I can even open this. Oh, okay. Yeah, that opens. All right. Control C. Okay. Whoops. Recently closed. Edit. Okay. Picture. I think it's good in either with that image, right? So I don't need to do that. Whoops. Bolts, tech, and family. Bolts, tech, and family. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, commit changes. Add banner image from a Dolly prompt. Where's my prompt? Share. Oh, it's not yet supported. Okay. So now if I go to Ketty Code, my profile, nice. Edit profile. I'm in Waterford, Michigan. Display current local time. Ketty Code at Gmail website, social accounts. Save. Change your avatar. Upload a photo. How do I view these? Small icons. No. Medium icons. There we go. Camera roll. Saved pictures. Baggage claim. Days gone. Video projects. That was the picture I used for. Let's see if I can do something with Dolly with this. Let's see if... Turn this image into a matrix-like binary avatar. Let's see how well Dolly does in that. We'll see. Did you use my image? Hello. Okay, let's explore GPTs. This is actually the image that I used for getting into India, of all places. So, a bit crazy. Let's see what it does. Cartoonize yourself. No, that wasn't good. I didn't really like that. Dolly. Logo. Okay, let's try this. Upload your photo. Okay, photo is being uploaded. Let's see what it does now. This is the last one I'm going to try tonight, and I'll be done. It's been streaming for about an hour and 45 minutes. So, let's go back to Dolly. Okay. So, let's start over then. Sketch note, people. What is the guy's name? Role design. Yeah. Where did he talk about the people? Okay, I'm gonna have to go to YouTube then and look at this. Sketch note people. Where is he doing it? Mike Road. Yeah, it's right here. Whoop. Okay, pause this. Square. Square. People.
I'm simply method is you can get very bold letters by drawing.
Yep.
And it's covered method. And Dave suggests that if you start with things and emphasize words that you think are very important. So drawing people, there's two different ways I like to show drawing people. One is called the Dave Gray method, and
Dave Gray method. Dave Gray method. Dave Gray people. People. Dave Gray, yeah. It's Dave Gray. The style of Dave Gray. Make the image kind of blend into binary matrix style background. This will be used for a GitHub avatar image. Creating the image. It's creating the image right now. How do we do what we do when we do what we do? Do. One viewer for like 10 minutes. Someone's coming downstairs. I can hear people walking. It's my son David.
There's no extra burger for any?
Soon, David. No, we're cooking the chicken tacos. Did she bring salsa back?
No.
Well, she probably should get salsa then. Did she ask for a burger?
No.
Oh.
Not for her to eat. There's just none for her to eat.
Yeah. Oh, man. Come on, Dolly. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Please, please, please. Don't let me down. You see my microphone stand or arm?
No.
It's over here. It's in front of my face.
Nice. You got the adapter?
Huh?
When'd you get the adapter?
Today. Came in the mail.
Nice.
I'll have all these extra ones then. Yep. Now I'm officially a streamer.
Why are you talking so low?
Huh? Why am I talking so low?
Yeah.
Because it's right near my face. See, there's a thing on it right there. So I can pretty much whisper and everyone hears me. Isn't that right, chat?
No one's watching.
No chat. There's zero chat. Zero chat. I'm the only one that chats on my thing. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah, I'll use that one. I like it. Okay, upload a photo. Pictures. Downloads. Oh. Well, how come? All files. Avatar. PNG. File contents. How do I? Output as PNG. Image conversion. Is there paint? Can I open that out? Can I do it in paint? Let's see. Open. Yeah, but it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't save it. It saves it as a that weird name. Okay. Open. What? No, I want downloads. Oh my god. Okay, now I can save as PNG. And now, if I upload it, please upload a picture smaller than 1 megabyte. Oh my god. Resize. Do I have any image editing software in here? Image. Photos. What does the Photos app do? That's just for photos. Do I have like paint, GIMP, paint shop, image? Does paint not do resizing? Let's see. File. Can we resize? Resize. There we go. Percentage. Let's do 50. Okay. Resized avatar. How big is it now? Upload a photo. There we go. Set new profile picture. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Wait, did it not? It didn't change? Yeah, it changed. Okay. Where's my avatar? Where's my avatar I just literally added there? Where is my avatar? English. I speak English. Okay. Eastern. View your profile. I don't know why it doesn't show my There's Caddy Code, now it's showing up. I think it just takes some time for it to show up. That's what I'm guessing. Let's see. Yeah, it's just going to take some time for it to show up. That's fine. Because when I go down here, I am seeing it here. It just isn't showing up there yet. So we'll give it a few hours. Probably takes a while for it to propagate through the system. Okay. Alright, so that's it for tonight. As long as we verify that the app is still working. Oh, you know what I do need to do is I need to make sure that after we submit after we've submitted, we want to clean out where is load, hydrate, show hide, fetch logs, submit, there we go. And then yeah, we can do that at a different time. Let's do Majet status. What did I do here? Yeah, I set that. And I added that. And we said we're going to add the notes later. Okay. Does it change it into... Oh. Stage. See. Stage all modified. Reuse commit message. Commit. And what does the commit message end up being? Commit.edit message. Edit commit message. Add notes to the API. We'll need API and form. We'll need to add notes to the log later. So okay. Okay. All right. Thank you guys for joining. We'll talk to you later. This is Keenan Can Do signing off.